Just do it!
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hosted by the one and only the first God, the Forest King. It's Luke, your mentor. So as you can see by the title of this video, we'll be breaking down the tracer stuff that we actually anticipated, and we even posted a YouTube video, bro, and uploaded a YouTube video on this particular channel, and we had anticipated that the market will actually come to this particular area. However, the market first needs to pull back and then continue to this red zone, and then from here we could potentially be looking for bullish variation for us to actually get into a position and either come to this area or something like that. But guys, the first anticipation was that the market should actually pull back for us to actually be able to draw this fib from point A to a point B, and this was our overall target. Now in this particular video, I'll be breaking down why I actually anticipated that the market potentially come back to this area. Not only that, guys, I might give you a market analysis on what the market might potentially do in the upcoming few days. So stay tuned, grab your notepad, grab your pen, and anything that you find valuable, do take notes, guys, and I might emphasize on certain key points that I think you guys should actually keep in mind. But before getting into the video, do hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Not only that, guys, we'll definitely be able to notify you when we post and upload banger videos like this. So stay tuned, watch till the end of the video to actually get as much value as you can. So let's break this down. Now on the weekly time frame, guys, as you can see that the story in this particular weekly trend line is that the market, every single time the market came to this weekly trend line, it pushes down, it pushes down, it pushes down. And so overall, as you can see, that the weekly, we were in this overall downwards trend. But what I had seen was that, so yeah, we were in the overall downward trend, as you can see, based on this particular weekly actually arrowhead trend line. Now on the daily, guys, we had this initial impulse, this correction, this continuation. Market then broke through this daily red trend line, creating somewhat of a higher high relative to this broken low high and a potential low for overall continuation. So on the daily, I was anticipating for a bullish trend, right? So on the H4, guys, I know I might be sort of like rushing, but I do not want to make this video too long, so just bear with me. Now on the H4 time frame, as you can see, we had this initial impulse, this correction, this continuation. Market then broke through this low, this high low, creating low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high, and a lower high, and a lower low. Now once the market actually broke this high low, that's when I actually drew this fib from my point A, guys, to my point B. And as you can see that the market then actually hit my negative 27, which is a reversal level on my Fibonacci retracement tool, guys. And I was anticipating for reverse once the market actually hit this negative 69.8 level. Not only that, guys, we had a strong level of divergence. As you can see, the market is actually headed towards the downside. However, on the R side, the market is actually pushing towards the upside. So that is enough confidence to tell you that the market potentially reverse and go and switch from a downward trend to a bullish trend. Now my H1 time frame, guys, as you can see, we had this impulse, this correction, this continuation, had a lot of sellers exhaustion. As you can see on the RSI, again, we have a lot of divergence. Market is actually headed towards the downside, however, actually has headed towards the upside. But what I was anticipating was that once the market actually comes and actually touches my negative 27% reversal level or pullback level, I was anticipating for a continuation or a sell. Now Another key thing to mention was that the story in this particular H4 zone is that every single time price actually came to this H4 zone, it did what? It pushed down. Came to this H4 zone, it did what? It pushed down. Came to this H4 zone, it did what? It pushed down. Market then came to this H4 zone again. What will H4 zone do? What? It pushed down. Market then came to this H4 zone again. What were we anticipating? For a push down. Correct. Now, once the market actually came to this particular H4 zone, not only did it have divergence, we also had some form of an ascending channel. Ascending channel at a particular level of support, guys, as well as divergence, and we're literally sitting at this on this particular fib. As you can see from my point A to my point B, we're literally sitting at this negative 27%, which then signifies a potential reversal rise level. So as you can see, we had a lot of confidence where the market was going to sell, and that's when we actually anticipated that the market could potentially come to this area and then pull back for us to actually get into an entry position, and then the market potentially come to this area. And as you can see, the market did as we had anticipated. So currently, or at least as of from tomorrow, guys, the market could potentially, as you can see, guys, we have divergence, right? Market is actually headed towards the downside. Currently, we could potentially, let me just put that right there, break of structure. So as long as the market is actually below this break of structure, I am anticipating for a sell. So we have actually broken this particular lower high, create some form of a high low. I do anticipate the market to push down for now, at least from this area, just push down to at least somewhere the zone and area. If this market actually prints out a form of a bullish variation, we could potentially come to this area region, retest this backside of this trend line before continuing. But as you can see, guys, we are in this overall sell, so we could potentially sell down. We're definitely going to sell down, guys, so just be mindful of that, guys. So that's what I have for this video. If you found any value in this video, do hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm, guys. And without further wasting any of your time, peace out.
Do it! Just do it! So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just